Do you have wavy or curly hair and want to treat it for natural curls? You can use this roadmap to start the Curly Girl method. The Curly Girl method was developed in 2001 by Lorraine Massey, who wrote Curly Girl, the handbook. This method provides you with natural, shiny, vibrant, and healthy curls. There are some rules you need to follow. Number 1. Wash your hair with a conditioner or a co-wash cleanser, not too often, only 2 or 3 times a week. Avoid harmful ingredients such as silicones, sulfates, parabens, and drying alcohols in hair products. Number 2. Stop electrifying and breaking your hair with towels and harsh blows. Remove excess water out of the hair with a microcotton towel or t-shirt. Number 3. To dry hair, you have 2 options, air drying or diffusing. If you dry your hair with a diffuser, always turn on medium or low heat and low speed. Also, avoid heat and styling tools such as hair dryers, hair straighteners, and curlers. Number 4. Don't comb your hair when it's dry. When your hair is wet or damp, apply conditioner, comb it with a wide-toothed comb or a curly hairbrush. Number 5. Protect your hair while you sleep. You can prevent your hair from spreading and crushing by using a satin hair cap or buff. You can get the same result by sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase by gathering your hair on top of your head. With these tips, you are now ready to create your own CGM routine. And now let your hair talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.